part 2 guys on these two Nissan X-Trail. As I mentioned in part 1 guys, you can click the link in the description so you will get a better understanding how we are repairing the air condition in these two vehicles. So guys, as I mentioned in part 1, we are removing and replacing the air condition evaporator core in this 2017 Nissan X-Trail. We already removed the core, as you see guys, and here is the dashboard, and I'm going to show you the old evaporator core. To remove the evaporator core guys, as you see, we have to remove the wiper cover, the two heater hose, also the low side and high side hose that connected to the expansion valve. And for this 2016 Nissan X-Trail guys, we removed the old compressor and install a new compressor on it. We're going to pressure tests and vacuum, and once everything goes well, we're going to recharge the system with some 134A refrigerant. Also, we use an AC flush and flush out the system before we install the new compressor. So back to this Nissan X-Trail 2017. This is the housing guys, the blow motor here, and this is the cabin filter. Look at the cabin filter guys. We are going to replace this cabin filter with a new one. And here we have the heater core. This is where the two heater hose connected on. And here we have the evaporator core. This is the evaporator core that we removed. It's mainly leaking right here. You can see a little bit of eye residue here. If you notice right here, kind of greenish, a slight greenish, and right here is not green. Let's see if I can catch it. Look right here, guys. You can see slightly green, like this vehicle did have a little bit of UV dye inside of it before we remove the core. So we are going to install a brand new core in this 2017 Nissan X-Trail. And guys, here we have the thermostat here. So we're going to drop another video guys when we finish this vehicle, because this vehicle might ready a little bit later than the 2016 one, because the compressor and flush out the system is very easy to do, but this one is a little bit harder. So I might just drop 2 more videos when I finish this one, and then I will drop a video soon as this one is ready. So guys, I will leave the link in the description for part 3 so you guys can see what's going on.